a city where history stands tall and colors dance in the skyline. Welcome to Moscow. Right at the heart of Moscow, Red Square is more than just a landmark. It's a stage where centuries of history have unfolded. At its center, St. Basil's Cathedral, with its swirling, candy-colored domes, looks like a scene from a fairy tale. Built in the 16th century by Ivan the Terrible, this masterpiece is unlike any church in the world. A short walk away, the Bolshoi Theatre invites you to step into a world of ballet and opera where every performance is a masterpiece of its own. Even beneath the streets, Moscow impresses. The Moscow Metro isn't just a transport system. It's an underground palace with stations adorned in chandeliers, mosaics, and marble columns. Need a break from the city rush? Gorky Park is a sanctuary of greenery, street performances, and open-air relaxation. As night falls, Arbat Street awakens. This historic avenue, lined with artists, musicians, and cozy cafes, is the perfect place to feel the soul of Moscow. In Moscow, every street tells a story, every building whispers history, and the only way to truly understand it is to step inside and let the city unfold before you.
We will be making a series of videos, roaming around and discovering the capitals of the world. Stay tuned and subscribe for more amazing content. See you soon with another charming episode.